Using PayPal in-store is a convenient and secure way to make payments. To get started, you need to have a PayPal account and the PayPal app installed on your mobile device. First, open the PayPal app and log into your account. If you do not have the app, you can download it from the App Store on your device. Once you are logged in, navigate to the In-Store Payments section. Next, you will need to add a payment method to your PayPal account. This can be a credit card, debit card, or bank account. To add a payment method, go to the Settings section of the app and select Add Payment Method. Follow the prompts to enter your payment information. When you are ready to make a purchase, open the PayPal app and select Pay with PayPal. You will be presented with a list of nearby merchants who accept PayPal. Select the merchant you are shopping with and you will be given a barcode or QR code to present at checkout. At checkout, let the cashier know that you would like to pay with PayPal. They will scan the barcode or QR code and the payment will be processed through your PayPal account. You will receive a confirmation of the payment on your device. It is also possible to use PayPal with certain merchant apps, such as those used by coffee shops or restaurants. In these cases, you can select PayPal as your payment method within the app and the payment will be processed automatically. To ensure secure transactions, always keep your PayPal account and app up to date, and be cautious when using public Wi-Fi. It is also a good idea to set up two-factor authentication on your PayPal account for added security. Using PayPal in-store is a convenient and secure way to make payments. And with these steps, you can start using it today. Remember to always keep your account information up to date and be aware of your surroundings when making transactions.